In this video, we will explore the 5 best steam cleaners available in 2025. Whether you need a powerful tool for deep cleaning or a compact model for quick touch-ups, these steam cleaners offer top performance, convenience, and efficiency to keep your home spotless. So, let's get started. Number 5. BALASHOV Hand-held Steam Cleaner. The BALASHOV Hand-held Steam Cleaner is a powerful and precise cleaning tool designed to make your chores easier. With a strong 1000-watt heating element, it heats up in just 2 minutes, producing high-temperature steam that effectively cleans tough dirt and grime. This steam cleaner is highly versatile and works on multiple surfaces. Whether you need to clean grout lines, kitchen appliances, car interiors, laminate, hardwood floors, fabrics, or glass, the BALASHOV Hand-held Steam Cleaner handles all with ease and efficiency. Safety features are a key part of this design. It includes a safety lock and a protective cover on the handle, ensuring worry-free operation every time you use it. This makes it a safe choice for all your steam cleaning needs. Additionally, the BALASHOV Steam Cleaner comes with a quality service guarantee, reflecting the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. This ensures that your purchase is backed by reliable support. If you want to upgrade your cleaning routine with a convenient and effective tool, the BALASHOV Hand-held Steam Cleaner is an excellent option. Its combination of power, versatility, and safety makes it a must-have for every household. Number 4. High-temperature home steam cleaner. The high-temperature home steam cleaner is an advanced cleaning device designed to provide a cleaner and healthier home environment. It heats up rapidly, reaching temperatures up to 115 degrees Celsius in just 20 seconds, delivering powerful high-pressure steam for effective cleaning. This steam cleaner offers an intuitive control panel that allows you to easily adjust the steam output according to your cleaning needs. It is perfect for tackling tough grease and stubborn stains on kitchen hoods, air conditioning vents, and even car interiors, all without using harsh chemicals. The high-temperature home steam cleaner uses pure physical sterilization and decontamination, making it an ideal choice for families who want to maintain a safe and healthy living space. Its chemical-free cleaning process ensures that surfaces are sanitized naturally and effectively. Safety is a priority with this model, featuring a high-quality thermostat and high-temperature protection to prevent overheating and ensure peace of mind during use. If you want to upgrade your cleaning routine with a fast, efficient, and eco-friendly solution, the high-temperature home steam cleaner is the perfect tool. Visit the link in the description to order yours today and experience the powerful benefits of steam cleaning firsthand. Number 3. BALASHOV CNT-A-3000 Steam Cleaner. The BALASHOV CNT-A-3000 Steam Cleaner is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This powerful device uses high-pressure, high-temperature steam to deep clean your kitchen surfaces, car interiors, home appliances, and even delicate fabrics, all without the need for harsh chemicals. That means you can sanitize and disinfect naturally, making your home safer for children, pets, and allergy sufferers. What makes the BALASHOV CNT-A-3000 stand out is its versatility. With adjustable steam settings and a variety of attachments, it adapts to every cleaning task. Whether you are lifting years of buildup from bathroom grout or gently refreshing upholstery, this steam cleaner delivers precision and power. The 360-degree chemical-free cleaning system ensures a full-range clean while protecting both your health and the environment. It is more than just a cleaning tool, it is a smarter way to maintain hygiene in your daily life. Thousands of users have already made the switch, praising its efficiency, ease of use, and remarkable results. The BALASHOV CNT-A-3000 Steam Cleaner is not just a product, it is a game-changer. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? This is the tool that gets it done safely, effectively, and effortlessly. Number 2. BALASHOV 2500 Watt Intelligent Steam. The BALASHOV 2500 Watt Intelligent Steam Cleaner delivers powerful chemical-free cleaning with precision and ease. Designed with a robust 2500 watts of heating power, it produces high-pressure, high-temperature steam that eliminates dirt, grease, and up to 99.9% of bacteria within seconds. Ideal for every surface in your home, it works flawlessly on kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, carpets, and upholstery. Whether you are deep cleaning or freshening up, this machine adapts to your needs effortlessly. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended use. With a long power cord and extended steam hose, you get maximum reach without constant unplugging or repositioning. Cleaning tight corners or high areas becomes simple and efficient. Built with safety in mind, it features an advanced anti-dry mechanism that prevents overheating, and its durable ABS material construction guarantees long-lasting performance. The BALASHOV 2500 Watt Intelligent Steam Cleaner is not just a tool, it is a smarter, faster way to clean. Skip the harsh chemicals and exhausting scrubbing and enjoy a more hygienic living space using nothing but the natural power of steam. Number 1. High-Pressure Steam Cleaner. The High-Pressure Steam Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution designed for both home and car use. With a heating power of 2500 watts, it produces steam at a temperature of 229 degrees Fahrenheit and a pressure of 3 bar. That means every square centimeter is cleaned with a force of 3.5 kilograms, delivering deep, efficient sterilization. From greasy kitchen hoods and clogged air conditioning vents to stained car seats and dirty upholstery, this steam cleaner handles it all with ease. It features 6 adjustable steam speeds, allowing you to tailor the intensity to suit any surface or cleaning task. Equipped with multiple brush heads and attachments, it reaches tight corners and awkward spaces effortlessly. The entire cleaning process uses only water, no harsh chemicals, making it completely safe for children, pets, and allergy-sensitive environments. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during long cleaning sessions. Whether you are tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning neglected areas, the high-pressure steam cleaner is built to simplify the job. Experience powerful, chemical-free cleaning that goes beyond the surface. The high-pressure steam cleaner brings industrial-level performance to your fingertips, making your spaces cleaner, healthier, and fresher. There you have it, the 5 best steam cleaners to consider in 2025. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching.